Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites featuring dishes for every meal of the day. And here now is today's host.
Hi, welcome to Creative Cooking. With us today is a man who knows his way around the stage and around the kitchen. Adrian Campbell of the popular One Third is my special guest. Welcome to Creative Cooking.
Thanks for having me.
We're so happy to have you.
It's my pleasure.
Our viewers need to know a little about you. You want to take it again?
I'm from St. Mary, Belfield in St. Mary.
At the Highgate area?
Yes, in that area. And, I do a little bit of singing, plus, I know my way around the kitchen fairly enough.
I have no doubt about that. Tell us about school. What all in school did you attend?
Well, I actually attended the Belfield All-Age School, where I did, a couple of events as it relates to cooking.
So you are in 4-H clubs, I suppose?
Definitely.
Because I remember Belfield All-Age School with a very vibrant 4-H club.
Definitely.
Okay. So where did you go after Belfield?
I went to St. Mary Technical High School.
Oh, that school had a very active 4-H clubs.
From high school at Boom.
Oh, okay. So you're involved in 4-H clubs at St. Mary?
Definitely, man, definitely. Participating in a lot of events and, I have to do the cake baking and the decorating.
Okay, Tell us about your career plans, Adrian.
Well, differently, I, in the future, would like to pursue a career in the field of medicine.
Oh, very good.
However, as I am really, really passionate about music,
I can see,
intend to, pursue my career in music.
What are you cooking for us today?
Well, I'm actually cooking Adrian's carrot cake.
Oh, you're baking today? Adrian's?
Yeah.
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
And I hear you're going to decorate that for us today.
Of course. Well, today I will be doing my special carrot cake. We start by pouring cinnamon powder. This is already sifted, the flour is already sifted, so we're just going to combine the ingredients. We add the salt. Here we add some baking powder to allow your mixture to raise. Adding some baking soda here, which will actually neutralize any acid that is inside the mixture. Now we combine the ingredients. And then I'm going to add eggs, break them separately. Add the eggs. Then we're just going to bring them together so we actually get our mix up. And we combine the eggs. Now, we move on to adding the other ingredients such as Grace vegetable oil. So we add this. We add some vanilla to the taste and the flavoring. And then we add the sweetest part of it, the sugar, brown sugar. So that's that there for this. And we now move on to folding the dry ingredients in this moist mixture. So we slowly add it. Get our wooden spoon and we fold in to a nice enough consistency. Right, so now it's time for the main ingredients, the carrot. We're going to scrape some carrot in this mixture here. Right, now we're going to add some raisins, nice little delicacies. Fold in just the same. And to conclude this, we add some nuts here, some crushed nuts. Just ensure that we don't fill up the the thing too much because it will actually flow over the edge. And now we're going to actually put our finished product in the oven, which will be at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And actually leave it there for about 40 to 45 minutes. And there we have our carrot cake.
I am going to give you a cake that we baked ahead of time.
Okay.
And we would like you to decorate the cake for all our viewers. Can you?
Definitely.
Okay,
definitely.
well.
Not a problem.
Very good. I know you'll agree with me. You did very well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Adrian, each of our viewers can get 1/3 of this cake. Can you imagine?
Definitely, definitely.
We want to thank you for sharing with us. You did an excellent job.
Yes.
And I know you must have impacted on the life of one young man too.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, definitely.
You have seen them on Rising Stars and in stage shows across the island. Now 1/3 is here for a special performance just for you.
Baby, yeah. Baby girl, the day you came into my life, you made me feel so fine. Yeah. You had a lot of love to express, but kept them inside. Pretty girl, I'm glad that you are mine. You make me feel like I'm the king, and you are the queen that takes care of him. Baby boo, you're so fine. You make me feel like I'm the wax that lines the precious hair off your locks. Baby boo, you're so fine. Yeah.
Never knew that we could be living in the same house. I'm so glad you are my spouse. Girl, the way you make me feel love when you're around. Brush my hair, kiss my lips, wire my feet, oh girl.
You make me feel like I'm the king, and you are the queen that takes care of him. Baby boo, you're so fine. You make me feel like I'm the wax that lines the precious hair off your locks. Baby boo, you're so fine.
To our audience, we hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time.
Make it a date to tune into Smile Jamaica, 7:35 every Monday morning, with a repeat every Sunday at 2:50 p.m. That's Creative Cooking by Grace Kitchens. Don't miss it.